after consolidating for days here at around 31,700 to 32,000, US30 has given a strong breakout last week, and this breakout helped it achieve close to 33,000 levels. Now what is going to happen next week, whether it is going to remain bullish or whether it is going to retrace, we will see with the help of candlestick charts followed with indicators, and in the end I'll give you the trading strategy and trading analysis for the next week. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, if you are interested, and yes, if you are interested on the markets and commodities on daily basis, you can watch my daily analysis on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100 Germany, Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold, silver, oil, natural gas. And yes, for Dow Jones specifically, I share it twice a day, one with the Asia session and one with the US cash session, along with Nasdaq 100 and gold. So do watch those analysis as well. Let's start the day. Let's start with 4-hour charts first. On the 4-hour chart, you can find after a little consolidation, this gave the second green candle. So see the consolidation here. First, this zone, one green candle, consolidation, second green candle, consolidation, third green candle. And the candle size here has diminished considerably. So it indicates that the probably bulls are now not there in charge, and the support zone there at 31,700 to 32,000. You have to be watchful of this. Now see, even if it retraces, the support zone should come into the first target should be at around 32,500, 600, 32,500 going to be definitely very strong support, then 32,250, and then below that you can expect it to drop and crash till towards 31,700 levels. Now look at the last two candles. Now it is again trying to consolidate here a bit, and be watchful of 32,800 here. If it drops below 32,800, rather I'll say 32,750, if it drops below this, you can go short for 32,600, and then below that you can expect it to drop a little till towards 32,400, 32,250 and 200 levels. So this is one observation from just the 4-hour charts. And yes, if you look at this on the 4-hour chart, see, this is the highs we were expecting, and it has almost achieved the highs of this channel. Hence you have to be cautious of 33,000 levels. If it trades above 33,000 precisely, you can go long. Now look at it here. The drop started from 33,000 levels, and precisely if you look, we had seen 33,400, and from there lower highs, and then this drop has started. Now if you connect the dots from here, you will find that it is almost coming back to this zone, and now if it trades above 33,000, definitely will take it till towards 33,300, 400, and then beyond that definitely one can stay long for 34,000 levels. 34,000 is a very strong resistance. We have seen it giving resistance earlier. Now it is going to be the resistance on the upside. We have seen it giving support. Now it is going to be the resistance for US30 to break. Also, if you look at the daily charts, this is the high as around 33,500 to 34,000 levels, and hence you have to be cautious of this level achieving the highs there, because this is the highs of this channel. Only if it breaks 34,000, one can expect that it is resuming the bullish reversal, and we may see 35,000 plus levels, else it can drop again from those levels. This is the observation on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. Multiple times I have told, while it was at this positions at around 35,000 plus that US30 is looking forward to 30,000 levels. It is precisely achieved this. After this was the second green candle. See, here is the reversal, and after this is the second green candle. This is with the flat top out there, and it is trading in this channel. The highs of this channel at around 33,500 levels, you have to be cautious there, and then 33,800, 34,000 levels should provide a very strong resistance. Beyond that, it will fly high on the upside. On the downside, you have to be cautious of 32,500, below which we can expect a little drop. But also remember, one green candle, two green candle, the third green candle may follow the suit, and it may try to attempt and achieve till towards 33,500 first target, and if it breaks, then 33,800 and 34,000 should be the next targets. This is on the weekly charts. On the monthly candle, now let's have a look at the monthly candle. See, look at the monthly candle, lower highs, higher lows. It is very much in the consolidation zone. Any breakout beyond this zone next month, if you see it trading above 33,200, definitely you can expect that it is going to give you a reversal, and then for the whole month, in the month of August, you can expect it to come back till towards 35,000 levels, the next target. So beyond 33,200, definitely one can remain long for the rest of the month of August, and you can expect a strong bullish move. Else till the time it trades between this, it may consolidate and it can come back again till towards 31,000 levels. And if it breaks 31,000 in the month of August, you can expect a sharper drop there on the downside. So be cautious there. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting here? If you look at the indicators, it is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Band. The support there at 32,800 is strong, breaking which you can expect a little drop till towards 32,600, 32,400, and then towards 32,200 levels. Very strong support at 32,200. Below this, it may break below 32,000 levels. Extremely divergent on the 4-hour charts, hence it may converge. Overbought on the stochastic, hence it may drop. MACD is wide divergent bullish, hence we can expect it to converge. RSI is overbought too, hence we can see a little drop. So on the 4-hour chart, it appears that we may see a little drop. Also look at the Bollinger Bands. It traded outside the Bollinger Band, the 100 period moving average giving it a support here at 32,400 levels and then 32,300 levels. So this zone till 32,200 to 500, you have to be watchful. It can retrace till there, and before looking forward to a rise, it may achieve those levels. Extremely divergent and bullish on the daily charts. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. If you look at the MACD, this is wide divergent and bullish. If you look at the RSI, this is overbought too, indicating that probably a little retracement on the downside can be expected. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, it has achieved the resistance there at 32,900 from the 100 period moving average, and the support there at 32,700 from the 20 period moving average, 50 period at 32,600, 500. So see, this zone between 33,000 to 32,500 going to be crucial for US30. It may retrace till 32,500 600 zone and can bounce back. See, the directional movement is looking forward to a convergence and crossover. This is going to be a bullish crossover. Stochastic is already overbought, which is indicative of bullishness. Also look at the MACD has just crossed over after trading in red zone for multiple weeks here from last July till now. It is just trading in the bearish zone on the weekly charts, and this is the first crossover after almost 1 year or so, and probably it is divergent also. It can sustain this bullishness for a little while, it appears. The RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly, the support here anyways below 30,000 is very strong. The resistance there at 33,800 and 34,000 is going to be very strong. We have to be watchful of 34,000. Breaking this, yes, you can directly lend or expect 35,000 levels. It is bearish here on the monthly charts as well. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over earlier and it is trading in a bearish zone. It is trading divergent. Probably a convergence can happen. RSI is looking upwards. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next. So next week, if you see US30 trading beyond 33,000, go long there and stay long above these levels. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And yes, if you want to earn the same expertise in the art of reading markets and trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. 13th batch is going to start on 8th of August. Be a part of which the strategy, these taught, the methodologies provided will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details on it. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel. Also, you can be part of my VIP Singlers group. Reach out to me for any queries on both. My Telegram and email IDs are already mentioned. See, beyond 33,000, I look forward to 33,200. And then 33,500 support or resistance there at 33,500 is strong. Beyond that, it will directly land towards 33,820, 34,000 levels. The resistance there at 34,000 is going to be very, very, very strong. Be watchful of that. Beyond 34,000, sky is the limit. Beyond me, I will look forward to 34,350, 34,600. And then 35k levels. Very strong resistance lies again at 35. On the downside, contrary, we can see a little drop. In fact, you can go short at 32,780 itself. Below that, 32,700, and then 32,600, and then 32,500. See, till 32,500 it has got very strong support zone. Below this, you can break till towards 32,200, and below that definitely one can expect 31,700 and 31,200 levels. Below that, sky is the limit for 31k, and below that it can crash. So in some till 32,500, and in between 33,500 you should be very cautious while taking any trade, and it can reverse or swing any point of time in between these levels, and till 34,000 should be the next resistance zone which it might reverse from. So take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, trade as per the levels, and definitely the daily analysis which I share with the Asia session and with the US session will help you decide, take decision very strongly as per the levels provided. So do all those also, and yes, you can join or reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.